Yeah, so basically, we have a VIP program, and in that VIP program, um, our customers get put to the front of the line, and we make sure that we replace the filters for them. We can do, we'll wash the outdoor unit at least once a year for them,
Yeah,
and we make sure that they get the best service that we can offer to them.
sure.
And and it's only about $20 a month.
Okay,
Yeah, so
twenty
you pay
dollars a
twenty
month. That's
dollars a
nothing.
month. You get two visits, and any referrals or any family members that you get, they also get unlimited service.
Wow.
So if their AC breaks, they don't have to pay a service fee. So it's a program that pays for itself.
And if you're a member of this VIP, you get a discount if you end up having to buy a bigger,
Yeah, you get
a
a
new
discount.
unit, or there's a discount
Yeah,
built into that as
you get
well.
an extended warranty on all repairs. So rather than having the standard 30-day repair, you get 2 years, or you get if you bought an AC with us, as long as you're part of the program, you don't have to pay. You don't, your system will still be under warranty.
Wow, $20 a month for that.
Yes,
Sounds like a
and
no-brainer.
yep.
Wow, that's huge. And so, what about air filters? So you're changing the air filters out. Is that important? Does that affect the efficiency of the machine? And is that something that you guys will do as part of that maintenance plan?
Yeah, so basically, once you're part of the program, you provide the filters, or we can order them ahead of time. And our technicians, sometimes they're in the ceiling and they're hard to reach, and we'll replace the filter. Plus, if they have like a fire sensor that they want to replace the batteries, we'll also do that for them.